Hello students, is my voice audible to you all? Any one of you can unmute yourself and tell me. And if you can see the page which I am sharing, which contains question answers of the chapter 3, is the visual and the audio, everything okay? Navodit? Navodit is there? Am I audible? Sajjal, am I audible? Gaurang Bhatnagar, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Navodit Singh. So question number, although I will be sending you the PDF of the question answers, means the answers of this question in the form of PDF I can send you. You can also get the same if you have any of the side books like ABC of chemistry, modern chemistry. Apart from these questions, you will get many other questions for your assessment of learning or assessment for learning. Means sometimes when you solve question answers, you learn also. So I suggest you that you can have one reference book like ABC Chemistry. Modern publishers ABC Chemistry is a good one that you can take. And I will also send from my side the question answers, handwritten one or the printed one I will send. So today we will just discuss it. First question is that what is the basic theme of organization in the periodic table? What is the basic theme? The basic theme is that the atoms are arranged in the periodic table in the order of its atomic number. As a result, they are sorted in the form of, or they are sorted in the form of their similarity of electronic configuration. All right. So you can answer it in one line also. You can answer it in 5 lines also. So I will tell you one liner answer. One liner answer could be, all right, I can do it like this. I can take this question, Control C, and Zoom has very good facility of sharing screen and it allows us to write also. Share white screen and then the question. What is the basic theme? The basic theme of organization in the periodic table is that number one, the atoms are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. As per which law? As per modern periodic law. Given by whom? Given by Henry Moseley. Second, it is not a different point but interrelated point. Second point is related to the first one. Atoms with similar valence shell electronic configuration are grouped in one column because they show many similar chemical and physical properties except a few anomalous properties. Third, The elements in various groups are arranged in columnar form, which forms blocks like A. S block elements the atom of which has its valence electron in the s orbital. Similarly, p block. Right. So one line or more can write. There can be maximum 2s blocks or 2s groups. Group 1 and group 2. Why? Because s orbital can contain only one or two electrons. Similarly, p block elements you will fill in the blanks. Okay, elements the atoms of which has its valence electron in the dash orbital. I will see from the chat box and I will write dash orbital. There can be dash number of p blocks p groups because the p orbital can have maximum dash electrons only. Fill in the blanks and get the answer. D block elements the atom of which has its valence electrons in the dash orbital. There can be dash number of d groups because the d orbital can have maximum dash electrons only. D. F block elements there can be dash groups of F block because maximum number of electrons which can be filled in the F orbital is dash. What about periods? How many periods are there and why so? The modern or long form of periodic table has dash number of periods because the value of n is principal quantum number for the electrons in the valence shell can be dash. इसमें क्या होगा आंसर 6 P6। इसमें क्या होगा चैट रूम में देखिए क्या लिखे हो। अरे वाह बहुत सारे आंसर आ गए हैं। 16 number of periods। 16 number of periods कैसे होंगे? डी का 8 8 14 14 होगा। अंशुल 7 yes 7 is right। तो डी ब्लॉक में क्या होता है which enters into the d orbital and 10 number of 10 number of d groups are possible because d orbital can have maximum 10 electrons. Similarly, there can be 14 groups of F block because the number of electrons which can be filled in the F orbital is 14. So modern periodic table has got how many periods? If you will see the modern periodic table, if you have your textbook open, refer and see once how many periods are there. If you refer to this periodic table, you will find that there are 7 periods. Now you may say that, sir, what about the 2 periods which is seen down there? So these are actually come from 6th and 7th only. Okay, so this has come from 6th and this has come from 7th. So we'll find that the maximum principal quantum number, the maximum principal quantum number n can be 7. Okay, so if any electron is any atom in future is discovered such that in 8s2 electron gets filled up, then there can be 8th period also. But as of now, it is not done. As of now, we have not got any element in which 8s2 is required to be filled up. Okay, so only maximum up to 7s2 it can be filled up. That is up to this. Okay, see here 6s2, 6s2, 7s2. That is why there are 7 periods. How do we find out periods? We find out the periods by finding out the principal quantum number of the valence electronic configuration. Similarly, we write modern or long form of periodic table has 7 number of periods. 7 number of periods because the maximum value of the quantum number of the electrons in the valence shell can be 7 as in 7s2. So in this way, you will write your question answers. Okay, I will be sending you the question answers in the print format, because if I start solving question answers one by one like this, then your whole year will pass by. All right. So the role of a trainer is to make you able to hold the dumbbell properly. But if you want to build your body, then you have to do the exercise. Okay. So now the ball is in your court. You have to do the exercise which is there at the chapter end. You have ample of time. Use that time to solve. When I was student, I used to make quota, means how much questions I will do in a day, how much questions I will do in a week. And in that way, I used to complete and I used to put a tick mark in the checkbox. Okay. I used to write to-do list and keep in front of my table and I used to put tick mark. Similarly, you can put tick mark that okay, exercise questions are done. My role is to make you understand. My role is to give you the question answers. My role is to make you understand the chapter. Okay, I will now give you the question answers. Solve that, and if you have problem in any question to understand by seeing the text, then you can tell me. You can write to me in the WhatsApp extra class group. You can write to me. That group remains open. I don't make an admin only. So if I get a number of doubts on a particular question from a number of students, then I will arrange a special class for that and I will solve that question. All right. This will save your time. This will save my time also. And some kind of new timetable is being made for your extra classes for all subjects. For all subjects. So that the newcomers or the students, those who could not cover due to any reason in the beginning, assuming that when school will open, they will become attentive. Now they are not attentive. So they can all take part in that and they can cover up their syllabus. All right. So don't worry at all. We are there with you. We will make your learning so easy that even if you don't study before exam, you will not fail. All right, that we will ensure. But getting 99 and 100, it will be your credit. It will not be my credit. Okay. If you get 99, if you get 100, I will never tell anyone that due to me you have got. So those who will get 99 or 100, it will be your credit. Okay. And if you fail, it will be my responsibility. So my role is to make you able to pass the exam, make you able to write the exam, but how much marks you will get, that depends upon how much extra work you put from your side. Okay, now you have to become developed learner. You're already in class 11. Okay, availability of teacher and myself is all the time. It is not that we are not available. Of course, late night, and early morning, that you have to excuse, and you have to wait for us to give the reply. Maybe because when you send the question at that moment, maybe we are not free. Maybe we are doing some work. Maybe we are on journey. But we will definitely revert to you. Okay, and that too, not we will not take much time. And if you are taking much time, that means might be we have overlooked your message. Then you can nag us. All right, you are just like our child. It is a big family. So fall back on us like a family member. Don't be stressed at all. We are there with you during your class 11th and 12th and beyond. Okay, it is a strong long-term relationship with you all. All right, thank you. Bye bye everyone.